Welcome back, guys. Same shirt, different day, different project.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, this comes from a person who wears plum as designer color.
And yes, he's got the orange underneath. No, I have not found that pink flannel from Tractor Supply yet, but I am working on it.
For you, right?
Not for him.
No, not for me. So the plan today is we're going to start the gable roof. And from finished floor right here to the top of the peak is going to be like 16'6", so we're going to be up there a ways.
Yes. Yeah, I'm excited about that. We love the open feel of the A-frame with the peaked roof, so it's pretty cool that we're going to be adding another.
Yeah.
So I guess the first thing we're going to do is get up there and get the boards on the existing roof going up and base everything off of that.
You'll find the right measurement and the right heights from this side and get those going up to meet, and then we'll bring the ridge beam across.
Sounds good. Let's get going.
All right, let's go.
So setup for this project took a little while.
Yeah, trying to find center on this side and that side, shooting the laser up, and then chalking lines go down for the boards. It just took some time.
Time consuming, up and down the ladders, a whole bunch, but we've got it figured out now, so now we're actually ready to start making some visual progress.
Yes.
So, cutting some boards.
We cut the boards that go down on the roof as they come down. I'm not even sure what those boards are called. I'm sure there's a name for them, I don't have it. We'll cut them and make them fit.
Yep, sounds good. Guys, isn't it so cute how Josh draws little arrows and T's wherever he wants me to hold something? You're so cute, Josh.
Well, I mean, if I went to a proper measurement the first time, I need to mark it for you properly so it doesn't get messed up.
I'm going to start drawing arrows and X's for where I put the ketchup in the refrigerator so you can find it better, okay?
Alright, so we got the angle, so we're good to go. I haven't put OSB here yet. I went ahead and nailed it in up top onto the OSB. But down here, I'm actually still using this as a step as I shimmy across here and there. So once we get all this stuff up, we'll go ahead and put the OSB behind it and then nail it all in real quick.
Will your face remain the same? The sorrows will be in our dawn. When we finally saw
Good?
they'll be gone. These moments will melt. Will your face remain the same? Sorrows will be in our dawn. When we finally saw they'll be gone.
So we didn't get a whole ton done visually yesterday because
No.
it took us a while to get everything figured out with the different angles and what was going to be a nice tight fit.
Yeah, that ridge beam was a complete pain, and that thing's way up there. I guess our ladders probably aren't tall enough. Probably should have run a scaffold, but we actually fought through it, got past it, so it's done.
Yes.
We made the mock-up for the rafter, and now that that's done, I think we should go ahead and test it at one spot, and then go around the roof, make sure it fits everywhere.
Yeah.
Just make sure we don't have anything that's out anywhere, but I don't think we will.
Yeah.
I think we should be fine.
And then we'll just go ahead and we'll cut all of the rafters and start installing.
Installing the OSB.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
all right.
Let's do it.
Under my wings, I can feel the air calling me up as I leave there.
So good. Aaron's done. Oh, get that thing straight, girl.
It's good. You guys can see us, right?
So that cut was off. We had it at a 45-degree angle. It was a little bit out. The way the bird mouth was sitting, it was just too far in, so we decided to scrap that. We dropped it down to a 42, and it fits out pretty nice, right?
Yeah.
So 42-degree angle, put that thing up there, should be good to go.
Yeah, we've kind of had to do trial and error with this. We tried,
Aaron's not a carpenter, you know what I mean? I come here with electrical skills. I'm an electrician, certified, you know what I mean? And she's supposed to be the carpenter here, and it's not working out very well.
yeah, it's not working out very well. I can cook and bake, but I'm no carpenter, that's for sure. So we've tried some online ridge calculators throughout this entire build, like from the get-go when we were first putting the A's together.
Yeah.
And it just hasn't worked out
No.
for us. We haven't found something that's reliable, so we've just done
No,
trial and
there's
error.
people that can figure all that stuff out. I just don't got it. I mean, I'm not a carpenter, so
Yeah.
just for trial and error, like you said.
Yeah.
Put it together and it fits. It's good to go. We keep on going with that.
Yeah.
So we pretty much make one mock-up and it works.
Yes.
We go with that mock-up.
Yep. All right, so let's get this guy up there.
All right. You got a Sharpie?
Right here.
I mean, pull that gut up, throw it to the side, and reach and get it. There you go. Jeez. Nothing's always getting in your way, you know what I mean?
Going past?
Hair more. You got hair more now. That's it. You're right there. Okay, so once we get this up now, we have to put it back up. We'll put it in place. Saw it down, put it in place. We gotta get a level out there and cut it off because overhang.
Right.
How much of an overhang do we want though?
Nice, big overhang.
Yeah, that's big overhang right there. It's my fault. I think overhangs past the bigs. She likes to wiggle it. Just a
I'm sorry, what?
nothing.
All right, that's it. We got it.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot. Just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our
Good.
sails.
Yeah.
Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the
Put this guy in real quick at the top. Put the rafter hangers up there, and you can make me a sandwich.
Good job.
Thank you.
Better you than me.
I'm scared of heights too. You know that, right?
I do.
Let's just get the next 2 rafters installed, babe. Alright, girl, come on! Let's get it! Not enough!
Rafters are up, so now we're gonna go ahead and cut this OSB, slide it up underneath the plates, and then we can install the remaining roof rafters.
This needs to be the outside, that's the bottom, that's top. You dig? So, what you're doing is you're giving me the wrong side.
I'm not.
You are
I'm
too.
not giving you that. I was gonna walk it up there like I've walked every other board up there myself.
Oh man, I got you, girl. So getting the cuts from the ridge beam going down to the plate where it comes against the A-frame roof, that's been the toughest part for us so far. We finally figured out how to do it and get the correct angles. So from the ridge beam angle, we got that cut. We use it with the miter saw with no issues. But coming to this back side, which goes against the A-frame wall, using this miter saw did not work. We had to go at a 65-degree angle, and the other cut would be at a 45-degree. So getting this guy to turn 45 degrees like it is now, it's fine. But then our issue, having this thing come down, we max out at 45 right here. It actually needs to be cut at 65. So when all else fails, we couldn't get that to work. We went ahead and went old school, just marked it with the speed square and used the hand saw to cut it through, and it's a complete and utter pain, I'm not gonna lie. But it's all good, we figured it out and got it done using the hand saw. So right here is our 65-degree angle, so we got to cut that down like that. But also this saw needs to come down and run down this side like that in a 45-degree angle.
I was supposed to hold that for him.
You were supposed to hold up for me. What happened? I thought you were over there.
I was filming.
I was too far in the game.
I was enjoying the faces you were making a little too much. That face is familiar, Josh.
Just upside down. All the cuts were going great. they floundered on me, and they weren't holding that side and just fell off and snapped. But it's okay.
No, I'm not checking you out. I'm checking out the board.
Ah, bull.
So we got the gable roof rafters on. It was tough, but we figured it out.
We did. I guess the roof rafters go from the ridge down to the top plate of the wall. That was easy enough to get for us to get. We got it without a problem. The issue was on the plate where it comes down on the A-frame wall, where it's two different angles.
Yeah.
It was a complete another pain. I struggled a little bit, but we made it happen.
Yeah.
Right?
We did. I'm glad that's over with. It's going to be interesting to see how the sheathing goes.
We'll make it happen. So we installed the truss hangers. The town we're at only had 5 or 6 of them, so we got everything up. We put a couple nails in there holding in place for now. I got to go into an hour and a half east to pick up some hangers tomorrow. Yes. Still got to put those up, do a little bit of blocking, and then it's OSB time.
Yes.
And that's when the fun happens, I guess.
Right. Yeah.
So what else we got?
We are going to talk to you guys about solar, give you guys a little bit of an update on how it's working for us so far.
Yeah, so we haven't had much rain at all the past month. It's been a freaking drought, so it's sunshine every day. So run the AC in the camper, run the computers, microwave, everything, power tools, the whole 9. Everything runs fine, flawlessly, no issues.
Yeah, we obviously can't get a full review on the solar system right now for the house because we're not living in the house, so we don't have like the washing machine or the dishwasher or anything like that running, but for now it's working great. And we'll of course keep you guys updated as things change and we get finally into the house and have all those other things running. Yeah, so I guess that's it.
That's it, guys.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yep, see ya.